Y'all, I have missed getting nerdy. It's been a minute. I promised we'd do it about this super cool, weird ice thing today, so let's do it. Let's get nerdy. So what you see here is called an ice spike. These can actually happen in ice cube trays in your freezer, and it's actually pretty logical when you start to break it down. So first thing you got to remember is when liquid water freezes into ice, it doesn't freeze instantly, kind of all at once. Typically, it starts to crystallize on the edges, and then that freezing motion moves inward until the whole thing is a solid block of ice. Also remember, when water freezes, what does it do? It expands, it gets bigger. So what likely happened here is a bird, maybe a twig, something touched the edge of this bird bath and it caused a little bit of a disturbance which prevented that edge from freezing. But as the rest of the bird bath began to freeze, as that ice formed, it started to push on the liquid that was left. The liquid that was left started to emerge out of the weak spot on the side, and it began to freeze. And as the water started to push up through the center of it, it continued to freeze. You can almost kind of see striations on it. Sometimes this happens with ice cube trays. They look like thin little spikes that can come up, and it's just a result of the freezing process, and that it takes time for water to turn into a solid. Little icy Stonehenge. It's a good one.